Dead. Ringer. Dead ringer? Dead ringer. A dead ringer is someone who looks almost exactly like another person. Fire. Escape. Fire escape? Fire escape. A fire escape is an emergency route out of a building. Gate. Crasher. Gate crasher? Gate crasher. A gate crasher is someone who attends an event without an invitation. Glass. Ceiling. Glass ceiling? Glass ceiling. A glass ceiling is an invisible barrier to career advancement. Fire. Sale. Fire sale? Fire sale. A fire sale is a sale with extremely low prices. Gold. Digger. Gold digger?
Bruh.
Gold digger. A gold digger seeks relationships mainly for money. Sand. Dollar. Sand dollar? Sand dollar. A sand dollar is a flat marine animal related to sea urchins. Stool. Pigeon. Stool pigeon? Stool pigeon. A stool pigeon is a person who secretly informs on others. Paper. Trail. Paper trail? Paper trail. A paper trail is a series of records that provides evidence. Horse. Sense. Horse sense? Horse sense. Horse sense means practical common sense. Hot. Seat. Hot seat?
Huh?
Hot seat. Being in the hot seat means facing pressure or difficult questions. Cold. Shoulder. Cold shoulder? Cold shoulder. Giving someone the cold shoulder means deliberately ignoring them. Air. Head. Airhead? Airhead. An airhead is a silly or forgetful person. Bed. Head. Bedhead? Bedhead. Bedhead is messy hair caused by sleeping. Fall. Guy. Fall guy? Fall guy. A fall guy is someone who is unfairly blamed. Foot. Lights. Footlights? Footlights. Footlights are lights placed along the front of a stage. House. Arrest. House arrest? House arrest. House arrest legally confines someone to their home. Loud. Mouth. Loudmouth? Loudmouth. A loudmouth is someone who talks too loudly or too much. Night. Cap. Nightcap? Nightcap. A nightcap is a drink taken before going to bed. Nose. Job. Nose job? Nose job. A nose job is surgery that changes the shape of the nose.